Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time, for the first time, I'm gonna do a painting with a strange mix, a mix of acrylic and ink. I won't use alcohol in my ink since we already have the acrylic, which is gonna be fluid enough. So I'm gonna do it on a canvas because I know that when you work with ink, there's not a lot of people who does it on a canvas, but we are going to do it. That's one of the reasons I put acrylic before. I think it's going to hold better and it's going to have a better finish than if you only put your ink directly on the canvas. I don't think it would be a good idea. Maybe it could work, but I don't think so. So guys, anyway, I'm going to do it this way. The only thing in my acrylic, I'm going to put a little bit of Floetrol. So it's gonna give me a nice consistency. Wow, that was a tongue twister for me, but I hope you understand what I meant. So anyway guys, we're gonna try it, but just before, last time we did this thing. I said this thing because I know it's subjective and to each his own, and there's a bit of relief on it, I don't know. You know what? I really don't care for it. I think it was the worst painting we ever made in the past year. Listen, just to show you that we're human and problem can arrive. It's done. I won't hold my breath on selling it. That's for sure. I think it's gonna go in a corner, a very dark corner somewhere. I have even the idea of throwing it out, so we'll see. So like I say guys, something sometimes you have it, sometimes you don't, and I think last time I didn't have it. I really don't like it. I think maybe some people out there maybe love it, but I'm not sure. So anyway guys, let's go ahead and try the ink thing, and I think it's gonna be great. So let's go ahead. So guys, another one done. I have to tell you that I think I have a new kind of painting that I like, and I'm gonna stay on ink for quite a while because I have so much experiment to do, and I think it's very nice, and it's a nice change from what we're used to do in the last few weeks. So listen, I don't know if you noticed, but I put something that looked almost transparent. It was that thing. They say it's pearl, and yes, it's gonna look like a pearl. I put only some drops here and there on the painting, and I think it's very nice what it did. And it's like I said, it's like if we would have put some pearl in the acrylic and the paint. So I think it's a nice touch. I would have liked to have more color, let's say to do something green with everything that we did, but I didn't have it because before I wanted to have a go at it. I wanted to try some basic colors, and I only bought 3, the pearl thing and the red and the black. So I think it's nice. I think like I say, I just find another way to do painting which I like, and in the future we're gonna do a few more of them. I think with the acrylic it does look kind of great. It's something that it replaces in a sense the alcohol. When you put the alcohol, only the alcohol with the ink, I think it's a nice change. We'll see once it's dry. Well, you see it dry, but I don't. So guys, anyway, I hope you liked it. I hope again you're gonna try it, because this time what is nice about it is that you can do it on a canvas, which is a lot less of problem than just to find a piece of glass or anything else that you want to do on it, because now you don't have to have a hard surface to do it. So I think it's a nice touch. So guys, thanks for being here. Hope you're gonna come back and see us soon. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care. Ciao.